Dave Miller with Superior Services has joined me. And Dave, we've talked about this a little bit in past segments, but you really have gone under some big changes over the last 18 months. So give us a brief overview of what that entails.
Sure. The biggest one probably is we've changed our name.
Right.
We went from Superior Heating and Air to Superior Services. And that was basically because we were starting to get outside of just doing heating and air and moving into whole home solutions, which involved electrical, plumbing, indoor air quality, carpet cleaning, all things that basically everybody needs for their house.
Right.
So we rolled it all into one umbrella now, I guess.
Okay. So tell us a little bit more about that, because people probably, they're starting to know this, I'm sure, but immediately they think of you as an HVAC company.
Sure.
So change their mind.
Sure, absolutely. So we're taking everything that we learned and everything that we did and just applying it to all these other divisions. We're trying to, just really attack the customer experience and just hit them with this great experience that leaves them telling others about us and calling us back.
Right.
And so we're taking that and just applying it to the electrical, we're applying it to the plumbing. And especially the indoor air quality. The indoor air quality kind of goes hand in hand with the heating and air, as we already did, because it's
Sure.
still air conditioning related.
Yeah.
But just diving down into a little bit more, we got some more certifications under our belt for duct cleaning and duct remediation and that sort of thing.
Okay. So I think you have a lot of turnkey solutions for your customers.
Mm-hmm.
So why is that important? And tell us a little bit more in detail about what those are.
Sure. Some of this we're still rolling out because
Okay.
we've only been doing this for, 8 to 10 months as far as having all the new licenses completed and whatnot. We have plenty of guys that have had the experience and that have worked with us in the past or in the same fields. But what we're trying to do is turn everything into, like you said, a turnkey, one-stop customer experience so that we can be checking out all the things in your home while we're there once versus having several people coming back in and out of the house.
Right. Which I think is obviously a lot more desirable.
Sure.
Right.
Right, yeah, nobody wants to sit in the
Especially like
house.
in this day and age, right? We don't want like 1,200 people coming through the house. One
Right.
is pretty good. So you talk about that. I know that in the past we've talked about your maintenance programs where it's kind of an every 6 months thing. So with the services, then are you now checking more than just the HVAC
We are.
when you
We're
go?
going to roll in electrical safety, which I think is completely overlooked right now, and that handles surge protectors on expensive appliances, computers, things throughout the house.
Right.
And then plumbing, making sure that we have clean drains, making sure they're sanitary, jetting them out, cleaning them out, and then some really cool things like we have these automatic shutoffs now. To where if there's an issue with the water, we can, through Wi-Fi, we can shut down the water to the house, or you can, we don't have control over that, but we would set it up so that you'd have control from your phone or laptop, or even do it automatically based on a water tripping sensor. So
Wow.
we're bringing all of that together so that we're hopefully, bringing peace of mind to the whole home solution.
Yeah, I was just going to say that. Not only are you bringing peace of mind to people who live here year round, but I would imagine it's a huge
Sure.
chunk of peace of mind for somebody who is a second homeowner here or is
Sure.
not here all the time.
Absolutely. We're tying into their thermostat so we can see their, what temperatures there are, if there's any issues with the systems. And we can tie into their water now, water safety switches for float switches, for water heaters. Unfortunately, I don't know whose idea it was, but it's, we got water heaters in attics, so we got 80, 50 gallons sitting above our heads, and so they fail. So if we can get these things set up to where if we start to see a leak or we sense a leak, we shut the water down and hopefully keep it from getting worse.
Yeah.
Now, obviously, there's still some water in that tank that we'll never be able to completely get out, but at least we'll keep it from flooding for days on end.
Yeah, well, that's a very good thing. I'm from the north, so I'm used to water tanks being in the basement.
Basements, yeah.
But we don't have basements here, so we can't do that.
we do
So
not.
somehow they decided higher was better.
Yeah.
That's kind of crazy. So if somebody has some questions for you or they want some more information about your services,
Sure.
how do they get to you?
Well, we're rolling out our new website right now, so go to superior.com. Is our website. Call us on our 800 number or whatever number they have down below here,
Right.
and it'll get to a live person 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
All right. Well, thanks, Dave. It sounds like you got things going really well.
Thank you.
Thank you.